Well, we are walking down to get our bikes. Look, there's Abbie there, all ready to roll. Daughter blue shirt with a pink hat. But, and I look like a Vulcan again.
Live long and prosper.
Every time you say Vulcan, I think of a falcon.
Falcon.
I think of a bird.
Bird, it's a bird!
No. It's about, what, 60 degrees?
Oh, I thought it was 70.
No, it ain't no 70 degrees yet.
Oh, I'll have to look.
Yes. So you might be underdressed.
Yeah, I thought it was 70.
You might have to take your long johns off or something.
Now I'm cold. Tell me what the temperature is, really.
She's wearing a snowsuit and a coat and long underwear
And my jacket.
and jacket. Electric socks.
Well, no,
Not that far, huh?
no.
Electric socks.
And I'm talking to socks.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, let's go get our bikes and let's get out there and get some riding. It's not supposed to be much wind today, so that'd be nice.
it is 66.
Hi,
That's
everyone.
close to 70.
There's Papa blue shirt,
Yeah,
Mama blue shirt,
it's 66, y'all.
daughter blue shirt with a pink hat.
66, and in about an hour from now, it's going to be 70.
Well-
Doggy blue shirt.
And doggy blue shirt. Doggy blue shirt. You ain't got no blue shirt on. It's striped. Okay, there's the miles. Add 7,000 on there. That's Miles trying to ride here. I don't know what she's doing. What is she doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. I thought you needed something. Alrighty, and our ride begins now.
Look out, George!
Trying to scare me, seeing there's a snake back there.
Hey, back.
Yeah, well, I actually scared you. You didn't scare me. All right, finally got going here. Got Abbie behind us. Abbie behind us, and we're headed out. They said there was no wind today, and I'm already feeling a lot of cross breeze. I'll take those things with a grain of salt. I know I'm not feeling wind just because I'm riding the bike. I can tell when there's wind and when there's not. And there is wind. Being no wind today, Mama's gonna want to go fishing. You watch. She's gonna say, let's go fishing. Go fishing. I betcha. Yeah. Let's see if these dogs are gonna be out here today. Yeah, no dogs today. Well, they decided to follow me today. A lot of times I'll just take that road back there and I'll go back and forth. But today, they're going to follow me. And here comes the truck. Yeah, wouldn't there be a lot of cars on this road? Last time I was on this road, I passed one car the whole time, I think. Now when they go with me, there's more traffic on it. Isn't that how it is? Yeah. Yeah, no, as long as there's not a bunch of dogs, I'll be fine.
No dogs allowed beyond this point. Get the point?
As long as there's not a bunch of dogs, I'll be alright. See what worried about dogs this way. There usually isn't. There's one that comes out, but I'll be real quiet when I go by them. I can get by them. Even more of those flowers. Yeah, it's actually a weed. Oh, feels good today. Yesterday was a little cold, but today it feels pretty nice. It's actually ragweed. No, it's not ragweed. It's a rapeseed. They actually grow it here for the oil. And the plant is so well at putting out seeds that even when they don't want it, they get it the next year, the next year, the next year. Looks like that field they sprayed, trying to kill it all, probably so they can plant some corn or something. But yeah, the spring riding season is here. Of course, it might be after spring by the time you see this. Oh yeah. Well, at least there wasn't no dog. At least I got that part right. Only one truck the whole time I went around. I go around like 15 of them. Must have just come at the wrong time, people getting home from lunch or something. There wasn't no dogs. Yeah, but they didn't come in the road. That's bald eagle. Yeah. I kept looking at it, I thought, that looks awful big to be a turkey vulture.
I know, I thought it was a dog at first.
Me too. Yeah, keep your eyes open up here. You might see an Amish phone booth. There it is. Amish phone booth. Oh, that's so weird. Can't have one in their house, but they can have it 150 feet away from their house. Okay, Ma, say that again. I told you. I knew it. Well, there's where we ended up. 14.7 miles. Total of 117. At 7,000, so 7,117. Well, Ma, how was it? I said you was gonna want to go fishing.
Yeah, I was looking at where the sun was, though. I gotta wait a while.
Yeah.
Otherwise, unless I can get an umbrella, but I don't really want to do that. It's a lot of hauling stuff down there.
This is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for riding with me today. May the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.